Beating big brands online might seem impossible, but small businesses have unique SEO advantages that can tip the scales. Start by claiming your local territory. Mention familiar streets, landmarks, and community events to show search engines you truly belong. Tap into urgent search queries by using phrases like open now or fast delivery, reaching customers ready to act. Move quickly with timely content about local happenings, proving your business is active and connected. Turn customer reviews into search assets by encouraging detailed feedback that highlights real outcomes and local references. Focus on hyper-specific long-tail keywords to attract buyers who know exactly what they want. Keep your Google business profile complete and fresh with regular updates and photos. Share authentic stories about your journey and values to build trust. Secure authority through local directories and consistent listings. Finally, create content hubs that solve customer problems, positioning your business as the go-to expert.
Please share and like. It helps us get the word out and makes the algorithm really happy. Check us out at advertisemybusiness.com.